Okay, so today I'm going to be making vanilla and chocolate pancakes. The batter will be vanilla flavored and there will be chocolate chip chunks in it. Well, I hope it works out. First, we're going to start with some vanilla bourbon. Then we're going to have some eggs and milk, 1 pint. And we're going to have a bag of chocolate chips. And don't forget to have the flour bag. Remember, only use 1 bag if necessary. First, you're going to crack this egg. Boop. Next, you have to whisk it. Make sure it's completely liquid or it won't work. Then, you have to pour half a cup of milk. Make sure it's exactly half a cup. Be careful when pouring it. Don't go over the line. Then, add the half cup of milk to your liquid egg or whatever you call it. Eggnog, I don't care. And then, you have to whisk it again. I know, it's really annoying. What? Where did the pint of milk go? Must be some sort of magic. It's not here. Time to pour this bag of flour. First, I need to cut it. Scissors are hard. After that, add the dough mixture into the pot. Wait, what? I was just carrying it. Where did it go? Again? And then add your egg and milk mixture into that dough. Look at how it goes. It's so satisfying. Blah, 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 mixing. You know the deal. Finally, time to add that vanilla. Unscrew it. And make sure it's 1 teaspoon. Then mix again. Ugh, so tiring. What? This is at least the 3rd time. The vanilla bourbon was just here a few seconds ago. Anyways, add a few chocolate chips into a tray. Then pour the tray of chocolate chips right into the batter. Stir again. Oh my god, how many times do I have to say this? I think 5. Then set the stove just to the starting point, the highest point. Wait a few seconds. Lower it a bit. And don't worry, you won't burn your hands doing this. Scoop your batter and wait until there's no more mess. Oh, and also, turn it to 4, the heat setting. And get ready to pour your first pancake. Remember to hold it correctly or you could burn yourself. Then, after 3 minutes, which is the recommended cooking time, flip each of them over and then wait another 3 minutes. Flip that. And flip this. I'm going to repeat this 3 more times and soon I'll have a full plate of pancakes. Once it's ready, assemble it onto the plate and decorate it however you like. Make sure to use all of the pancake batter. None should go to waste. So what I would say about making these pancakes is that maybe I should have cooked it for more because as you can see this pancake is a bit raw, but anyways, it's still good. And I may have overcooked this one over here, but let's hope I don't do that again next time I make these. Also, maybe it's starting to lose a hint of vanilla. when I started cooking it, but we'll see. I can still taste the vanilla in this. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next video.